Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and today we are taking a look at Nève from Labocosmetica. Nève is a detailing snow foam. It is pH neutral, it is safe for wax and sealants, coatings. It is also safe for sunlight, to use in direct sunlight. Today is a pretty warm day here in Belgium, so we are testing this product out. The smell of this product is also pretty on point. For the people that love smell, you should try this definitely. I've tested the product before and the smell stays. It's awesome to work with products that smell good while using them. Also, it is very dilutable. We're gonna use it today on 1:25. You can dilute it up to 1:50 if you want, but even at 1:25, this will give you a pretty thick foam. That's what I like. Now I'll show you guys how it will foam. Okay guys, so I filled it up with some hot water. It's a 1 liter bottle, so we need about 40 milliliters of Nève. The cap of the product is about 10 milliliter, so we need 4 caps into the bottle. Okay guys, so the car looks like this right now. It's cleaned with only products from Labocosmetica. Extremely happy with this. Okay guys, so what are my final thoughts on Nève right now? So the neutral detailing snow foam. Nève is a very good smelling product, like I said. For the dilution I used, it leaves a very thick foam, so you can get a lot of foaming action from one bottle, which is a big plus. It is a very slick foam, so that's also pretty nice. It is a very good cleaning snow foam. It leaves a almost clean surface behind. It is safe. I used it in the sun. The bodywork was pretty warm and it left no streaking, so pretty impressed with that. Honestly, the only thing I can say is just try it out for yourself. For the people in Belgium, I have a discount code for this. It will give you 10% off if you buy it in the store from Detail Experts. I will put the link down below so you guys can check it out. My honest opinion on this, pretty awesome snow foam. Be sure to check it out for yourself. So, see you soon guys.